Hi everybody, this is a collaboration with Amy. She's actually a fellow YouTuber, obviously, and you'll find her link in the description bar where you can go and watch her video. This collaboration is all about bold lips, and I went there, boo-boo. I went there. So if you're coming over here from Amy's channel, hi, my name is Lyric, Jamaican makeup artist. I am Jamaican, and yeah, I love makeup. So I went with this kind of a look. I went with the blue around the to line my lips, then I went to some blue eyeshadow, then I mix it with the yellow. I didn't put any green eyeshadow on my lips because as you know, blue and yellow mix green, so that's what I did. And I also threw on these really heavy dramatic lashes, only because I really think I'm loving these lashes. I mean, they're not for everybody, but like, I totally love these lashes. Alright, so that's it for this intro. I really hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. This is very avant-garde, and yo, you guys are going to love it. Alright guys, so I'll talk to you in my next video. As a matter of fact, enjoy the video. Again, Amy, thank you so much for this collab.
God bless. Praising God. I am wide we're praising God. Even the answer we don't need God. Praising God. All who answer the Lord Jesus Christ. Praising God. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna lead them. In the sky, we're God is all I need. God. Tell them so we gonna lead. Tell them God is all I need. And in the link and in the check where we gonna live. Tell them God is all I need. We don't need them while we run away. God will protect me. I did no pass and in the link and in the check where lead like a fast car, speed like an NASCAR. Yes, I am a real African star. So me ask them what me stopping one for them. They want to see me up in that car. Up with the bike pull over me stop in that car. It's like them want to see me back in that car. And I squander every cent for me have. But in a life you know, see me top in that car. Them watching the news, we see that him got scar. And they been up disappointed just because me united. Them see that him got far. Tell them the amazing God. In the sky we be raising God. Every day you know we praising God. We don't praise Satan, cause like say mother raising God. So we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them how we run away. Lord will protect we. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them how we run away. God will protect me. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where God are the solid rock and it's me I go stay on it. Anytime when you check you know me there on it. Right before me got me bed before me lay on it. Me go down for me knees and you me pray on it. No me not take the Lord praise and be Satan it. Why? Cause me no evil, me no Satan it. On the broad road no me not go straight on it. Check the narrow road and you see the AJ on it. And when the Lord give me one heap of taste and one heap of trial, he bless me and me get tape on it. Once upon a time I was a shy guy past it, but now we might tell me what we say on it. Cause you are the potter, so watch out, mold me life like say me have clay on it. Lord show me what is real love, and me can't walk away from it. Tell them so we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them how we run away. Lord will protect we. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them how we run away. God will protect me. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where lead like a fast car, speed like a NASCAR. Yes, I am a real African star. So me ask them what me stopping one for them. God bless. Tell them so what? Lyrics them a beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different God, not switch and we not serve a different God. Tell them we beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. Listen, all of you beat them bad. Every tune you put put out a street them bad and safe. Every bone in my body, tell them say God Almighty am my daddy. Me praise God like say that am my hobby. Never can trick my virgin them neither me. Holy Spirit what dwell inside of me. Make Satan show up and think a five of me. I want real survivor me. Escape enemy choppy for me like say I'm a guy for me and me. Lyrics them a beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different God not switch and we not serve a different God. We beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. All of you beat them bad. Every tune when you put out a street them bad. One man, me no God a guide me. No one man, you fi try avoid me. Never can see my blessing and try robbing. Cause me beat them bad like Sly Robbie. Hold on there, oh me can't see no sign of the devil. Him a fi cut through bone finally. Me have the victory finally. So our shadows of the field fi show up in my valley. Cause lyrics them a beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different God not switch and we not serve a different God. We beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. All of you beat them bad. Every tune when you put out a street them bad. Me are the head and not the tail. For me the both evil will not prevail. Now sell out my soul is not for sale. Satan can't even stop for heal. Me are the head and not the tail. For me the both evil will not prevail. Now sell out my soul is not for sale. The lyrics, me live it, me spit it. And my lyrics them a beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different God not switch and we not serve a different God. We beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. All of you beat them bad. Every tune when you put out a street them bad and save. Every bone in my body, tell them say God Almighty am my daddy. Me praise God like say that am my hobby. Never can trick my virgin them neither me. Holy Spirit what dwell inside of me. Make Satan show up and think a five of me. I want real survivor me. Escape enemy choppy for me like say I'm a guy for me and me. Lyrics them a beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different God not switch and we not serve a different God. We beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. All of you beat them bad. Every tune when you put out a street them bad.